What's up, YouTube? It's Chris with Murphy Firearms Training. Got a hold of this CMMG 22LR conversion kit. And kind of a cool kit. Found it on sale finally at Palmetto State Armory. Comes with 3 magazines. Went ahead and cut it open. Gonna pull it out. 3 mag kits. So there's one. There's the actual conversion bolt here. Okay, it's a conversion bolt. The directions, which are not very descriptive unless you're handy and know what you're doing, and 2 more mags. Now, the magazines are pretty simple. What I want to show you guys today is how to install this into your AR-15. So I have my 5.56 AR-15. Now, before I get into this video is intended only to convert an existing AR-15 that is chambered in .223 or 5.56 to .22 long rifle. It in no way modifies the gun to fire faster, carry more ammo, anything like that. It just lets you shoot the gun cheaper. Make sure everybody's with me on this. Okay, cool. So, I'm going to show you this. One more thing. Make sure that you're not installing this on something like a 300 Blackout. It needs to be a .22 caliber barrel, okay? All right, so standard AR-15 disassembly. You've got your 2 pins, one in the back, one in the front. You can take them both. I'm going to be lazy, just take the back pin out. So I'm going to push that in just to get it started. Roll it over. What have we got? Get our fingernails under there. Pull that pin up, okay? Whole assembly rotates out. Pull this. Okay, now I'm going to pull the bolt out. There's your AR-15 bolt. This is chambered in 5.56 NATO, 5.56 by 45. I'm going to leave my charging handle in. You could take it out, doesn't matter. This is your 22 conversion set. Take the black rubber chamber protector off. So you just twist and pull and expose this adapter. Looks like a 223 case or a 5.56 case, okay? I'm assuming when you have this out of the gun, you want to keep that on it, so I'm going to set that aside for later use. This is just like your AR-15 bolt. Your gas key would be up here, so you're going to line that up. So you're going to come in, you're going to line that up with your charging handle, and you're just going to push it till it's flush. And real quick, I want to zoom in here and show you guys. You see there's this notch, your charging handle here. There's this notch, okay? That has to line up and it has to go flush. So you'll see that's totally flush, okay? So make sure you get that all the way in, okay? Make sure you get that all the way in. Now, once you get that all the way in, like that, close it, push your pin shut. That's it. That's your 22 conversion from CMMG. Now, when you pull your charging handle, you're going to see that chamber, chamber adapter that looks like a 223 is stuck down in here in the barrel. And this thing opens here in the middle, so it doesn't open here anymore. It opens here, okay? And that's your conversion set. So that's your conversion kit, fully installed. If you insert a magazine, right, those should snap right in just like an AR-15 mag. And it should lock open on an empty mag, just like it does when it is 5.56. Now, I will show you that one more time. It locks open, okay? When this locks open, it's locking open on the magazine, okay? You can see it there in that window. It's locking open on the magazine. That last round hold open. So when you take the mag out, it snaps shut. It is not locking open with the mechanism in the gun, okay? But that's it, guys. That's how you convert a 5.56 or 223, I guess even like a 224 Valkyrie or 223 Wild, any of those 22 caliber AR-15s, this conversion bolt goes in place of your standard 5.56 bolt, and now you have a 22 long rifle. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, thought I'd show you that. Hope you enjoyed it. And voila, you got a 22 now. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, guys. Please like and subscribe.